Well, fit like it, eh, man? What we're going to be doing is putting this yellow, well, we're going to attempt to put this yellow film. I don't know if I should go, well, I can't go the full thing because I don't have enough. So, let's just try one headlight first then. Will I go the full thing? Let's go the full thing. I don't know which side is which. Doesn't tell you. So this might go all wrong and then it was a total waste of time. But let's try it. Right, so here we go. I've got this cut out. I'm pretty sure will this work on the other side? Oh, it will. Okay. Let's leave that. Or we get 2 attempts at this side. So we'll give it a quick clean with a brake cleaner. Give it a good rub. Good rub like. So this I'm not going to go all the way up, I'm just going to go to the line where the bonnet shuts. I'll go a bit further up just so you can't see it. But yeah, it says, so I guess one side will be sticky and one side won't be. So let's find out what's the sticky side. Oh my lord. Is that a sticky side? I don't know. What did it say? Clear. That's a clear film. The gloss film has a clear protection sheet that sits on the print damage. However, this can be removed during install if it makes the job easier. Yeah, but so where's the sticky bit? Is that it? Where is it? Doesn't feel sticky. Am I doing this wrong? I don't want to stick on the wrong side. There's a protection film, a tint film, and a clear film adhesive side. Protection film. The gloss film has a clear protection. So what is... Are both sides clear? Remove the clear film on the inside to reveal the adhesive. Spray the... So what? But you're saying both sides are clear. Maybe I should just pull it off and see. Do you know what? I can't find the 2 layers, so I'm just going to put it on with this and see if it sticks. Oh, I need a heat gun first. Right, so I've got some water with just a couple drips of fairy liquid. So we'll spray that on. You don't want too much fairy liquid, but maybe that's too much, I don't know. Right, this is probably going to go really badly wrong. Oh no, it is sticky this side. Something like that. Right. Some blue roll. You just need to work the water out. Maybe I put too much water on. Looks like shite. There has to be a protective film. There has to be. Oh, there is. Still looks like shite. Well, what is that? Looks like garbage, man. That looks bollocks. Absolutely rubbish, Tim. Let me show you. Ugh. What is that? What's all that marks? Ugh. Looks rubbish. Looks good from a distance, but I don't know. I'll try the other one without the soapy water. Maybe it's that did it. There you go, it's done. It looks okay from a distance, but like you come close up and it's like I don't know, like it did it both sides. Don't know if somebody knows, just comment down, but it's maybe because I haven't cleaned it right. There's a lot of air bubbles, but I guess it's all the stone chips on the light. Like I did heat them up quite a lot to try to get it out, but this one's the worst, but I don't know. It looks okay from a distance though, you know. Looks alright. It's pretty sick though, is it? Whop! Do 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 do.